So removing the engine cover from a Porsche Cayman 987, it's actually pretty easy. You just need to have prying tools. Something like this would work. If you don't have this, you can use this or maybe a screwdriver, but if you're using this, make sure that you also have a towel to wrap it around so you don't scratch your car. So let's go ahead and take it out. So like I said, the prying tool, probably your best bet. You would insert it in here and just pry it open like this and hold it, and you can try to pull it on this side as well, and that's out. So I'm going to put this back, and in case you don't have that, you can, like I said, you can also use this other prying tool, but make sure it's wrapped. Do the same thing and pull it out. Once this is out, you can push it forward because there are two tabs that are inserted, and once it's out, you can go ahead and pull out the carpet cover. The metal engine cover is also pretty easy to take out. It has 5 Torx screws, and you need a T30 bit to be able to unscrew those. You can use something like this. I always have this handy. It's in my car just in case I need to open the engine while I'm out on the road, or in this case we're going to use this wrench. And again, it's a T30 bit Torx screws. Loosen them out, and they're actually quite easy to take out. I'm actually going to have another video replacing these screws with something else that's going to be easier to take out, so whenever I need to open my car engine, it will be much easier than doing this. So stay tuned for that video. That's one. Two. The third one. And last one. And once you get all the screws out, it's going to lift the front and just pull it back, and be careful not to hit your car, and just set it aside. One thing that I would also recommend when you're working on your Porsche Cayman, make sure you have a carpet or a towel on the side, because you're going to be leaning on your car a lot, so you don't scratch it. There you go. That's basically all you have to do to open the engine cover on your Porsche Cayman 987.